I find it amazing that I just hit the Insta360 mic Air on and my Insta360 Ace Pro 2 came on. But it took time for the microphone to connect. I am on the video mode, low light, and it is lower light than it was the last time, and I'm about to switch over to pure mode. It's actually called Pure Video Plus mode, yes indeed, and they got a new update today, so I am going to update in portrait mode. They improved it, the color and all in some of the imagery, and that is the way to find it. Take the camera, if the screen is not locked, rotate it 90 degrees and you got portrait mode. That's what somebody said. Well, you could try to look in the camera, Instaframe and all that good stuff, and get your portrait mode. So I got my camera on and I'm going into Insta360 application right here, as you can see, and I'm going to see if there's an update. And we're looking for our camera, Ace Pro 2, right? There we are. Wants to join. And we got new firmware update just like that. So let's start the download and get going. Almost done. There we are, downloading. So what I'm gonna go do now is, I'm gonna hold it all in hand, do this on the go, and just have fun riding. I tell you, man, that's how important updates are to some. As soon as they come out, they gotta get it. But let me tell you, just about every single company but GoPro. Now, GoPro's the only one you could downgrade, roll back, and get back to the old. So yeah, let's make sure we get our stuff loaded up. As long as you got a good signal, you could upgrade anytime you want. Now, this is not live. Oh, there we go. I felt the buzz. And we are good to go. We're all hooked up. So now, we can go shoot video. I might connect it just like that. Some people say, oh, I got issues with connecting, all that good stuff. So I'm good to go. My hand gesture still works, my mic still works, and I'm on the latest and greatest firmware from Insta360 Ace Pro 2 portrait mode. I can't tell you what I see. I got to go back and review what I shot. And this way I can say, hey, look, subtitles. That's what subtitles are for. My thoughts out loud while editing. Now that was pure video portrait mode. I'm on now video mode. That's what we do best, people. We have to tell you what we're on. Well, I'm not going to start telling you what I'm on now. I'm just going to go do my vlog. Well, the thing I like to do, and I'm doing it every time I go through, I give a little hoot, give a little yell, give a little share. So probably I didn't say, hey, I'm Fish. I'm probably going to say, show some love. Are you ready for the love? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Show some love. As we ride along, get ahead, maybe we'll see the boat lights lit up. I like showing boat lights. And the thing about it is, it doesn't flare up in the camera like a DJI Osmo Action 5, 4, 3 does. It's a combination video. What we're going to do is share some fun with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Like I always say, I love to see the lights on the bridge and the coloring of the bridge that I go over. I always pull over to this spot over here, the tallest part of the bridge, and show you a shot. The shot of the bird just diving in, grabbing his fish. Where's the sunrise? As I ride along and on this shot and some shots forward, this is HDR. HDR should do a good job, if asked. Ah, man, those hot summer days. I was looking so much forward to it. And I guess, it's too good to be true. Promises, promises. And sometimes they're not kept. And things do happen. And we all understand you just cannot be in the game all the time. I find it amazing that that's the last park bench. And I can't find a park bench from here on to the end. To sit down, to give a highlight, to give a talk. So we'll move along to another wonderful spot. Mr. Sailboat was turning towards us and getting a little motion to you. So yeah, we can sit here, wait for that sun rise. And it's not going to happen anytime within a minute or two. So let's get on going. Over to the side so I can move on forward. I want to show you the flowers. I'll do the best I can as I go along. They got color. They got like a red, a pink, a rose. They're not that dark. They're not that super bright. Cat hanging out. Two more cats hanging out. Another cat hanging out. This block's got a lot of cats. It reminds me of that movie, Cats. You ever see that movie and the sequel? Oh yeah. What's open? Right over here. Can I get in because it says it's open? Nah, I think it's opening because of the, you got it, on the opposite side over there. It's telling you that the store, the cafe, the grocery store, the deli is open. Oh, the wind is kicking and the mic's on and doing its job, and I got it inside behind my shirt. Well, the DJI mic 2 is on the outside, as well as the camera located over here. Well, I said what I had to say, shared what I had to share, showed what I had to say. Fish, it's some, not say. Put my camera here. I did what I had to do. Well, I'm like, gotta get this like that. Get dressed up, get on out of here, and wrap it up. Well, on that note, I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next one. I did talk a lot, did say a lot, and I did show some. I'm sorry I can't get that sunrise, but I am going to hop on and go watch it rise elsewhere. Have a great day. See you on the next.